we are going to be reviewing the X Pro clone. Yeah, X Pro clone. Well, Maverick Mini Pro clone. It ain't the clone, it's the real Maverick Mini. So first when you open it, you've got the manual. This is to update your stuff from your drone to the computer. Here is drone extra propellers. This is like the bags it comes in, but I just opened them and I had no more, so I just put them in Ziploc baggie. Comes with a screwdriver, so you can take apart your drone and make sure everything's okay. The manual, and these are drone guards. You can put it on your propeller, so when you can slide in the house or something. Put these back in here. It's got a manual right here. Comes with two manuals. It comes in Spanish and another one. Okay, so now you've got the controller. These are fake antennas. They're just cool to put them up. It can do 360 flips. That's the headless mode. That's to make it go fast. And what is that?
Where it like can do 360s and stuff.
I thought that was 360.
That's headless mode. No, that's headless mode and that's 360s. And that's to make the battery last longer right here.
And what is that?
And that is like lights or something. Looks like. And guys, don't forget to like the fast video with the four-wheelers. It was sick. We plan on making another one. We just hadn't had any four-wheeler idea for a video, so put that down in the comments. And yeah.
Alright, so here's the drone. It's about as big as an 8-year-old hand. Hey guys, we are back, and it's about as big as a 10-year-old hand. I'm only 9, so yeah, I'm fine. Okay, so we've got the camera right there. You can connect it. It's got these, so you can take off right there. Connect it to your phone.
Would you like me to do that right now?
Put your antennas up. They're fake, so. But there's a bottom. There's two, and I like to only use one of them. And then pull it out, and there's your phone for it. Go ahead, get your phone. Gotta turn it on and connect it to you. No, it powered it off.
If you think about it, this is kind of like a vlog.
Yeah.
More like a review.
On camera, it looks way bigger, but it's still good. See? Like that.
Let's see how big it is compared to my hand.
Massive shout out. Go check out Kendall Gray. Buy some merch from him. We don't have merch. If we did, I'd go tell you to buy some. And Braden Price. They're super good YouTubers.
Links in the description, guys.
And we'll put the link to the drone in the description.
Let's see.
It comes in this case, but I like to carry it in this case. Put this case in that case, it makes it look way more.
You're gonna go straight to this. Let it load. Hit start. And then there you go. It's connected. If you can see it, guys. So that's it, guys. The video's not over, but you're actually gonna see him fly it real quick. Is the drone almost dead? No, he's not connected. Good. Usually, guys, one thing about this drone is it only flies for about 10 minutes, which is a long time for a drone. But it sometimes the battery doesn't fit just right in it. So yeah, it's just a few cons for it, and also it is very tough. That is a pro. We actually dropped it from one of the top of those trees, and it handled just fine after. It was dead, but started dying up there near them trees. And yeah. Wait, you don't want to put it on this?
Okay, we're just gonna do the top. We're gonna walk up there, but here is the view from the phone.
My phone actually catches the hellers. You know, go up there and look. Well, I wanted to see what it looks like on the top of the trampoline.
Wait, I'm gonna have to bring it down.
It's a great spy drone because it's not that loud.
Wait, is it wait? I'm gonna have to hang it.
Too windy?
No, it said can't. Wi-Fi cam has stopped. Open again?
Yeah.
I think we deconnect it from the Wi-Fi.
I can connect it to my phone.
No, I got it.
Because mine, I have the game and I can screen record it. Once we get up on top of the trampoline, guys, I'll show you guys what he is seeing. Here's a short view.
Wait, camera got stuck.
Starting to glitch. So sometimes, guys, it usually works best with the iPhone. Note that.
And you gotta have Wi-Fi for the camera. I think when the wind comes down, we're gonna be able to get a view from the trampoline. The wind is great. Gotta say all that. This is a quick top view from the tomatoes. Let me go forward.
That is actually us right there. If you can see it, it's like a tiny blur. But that's actually us. Go back to the
The
drone.
wind is taking it.
Yeah, it's not as strong as other drones, but what you can do is drive it to the side and then go to where it's not windy.
There we go. Here's the top view. There's the view from the tomatoes.
Anyways, guys, this is the Drone X Pro. And links down in the description if you want to go buy one. They're great. And yeah. And don't forget to put in the comments an idea for a four-wheeler video or any type of video. So don't forget to do that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And Avery, what do you want to say?
Hit the like button and we'll do more awesome drone videos, and we can use this in Nerf war or anything.
So yeah, guys, see ya.